Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating an API key with PTPShopy, your pathway to integrating powerful crypto payment solutions into your CMS modules or e-commerce sites. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is a set of rules and protocols for building and interacting with software applications. PTPShopy's API allows you to seamlessly integrate your crypto payment gateway into your website, offering a smooth transaction experience for your customers. To get started, log into your PTPShopy account and navigate to the API section. As we can see, there are no API keys created for this account. So let's create one. Click on the Create New API at the top right of the screen. Enter the name of your shop, the shop name displayed during checkout, upload the logo of the shop, enter your website's URL, and choose the display currency. Click on Create. Once the key has been created, you need to select your accepted cryptocurrencies in the Accepted Cryptocurrencies tab. You can enable currencies on the right side of the screen. For this case, we'll use Bitcoin and BNB. Once complete, click on View IPN Key. Here you will find the IPN key details, including the API code, IPN key, and an example of what fields are covered by our API. The API code and the IPN key is entered into the e-commerce section of your website. You can also go to CMS modules, select the plugin you prefer, and download it. Once downloaded, install it on your website alongside the IPN key. Once everything has been installed and you are receiving payments, your payment history alongside the payment details will be shown when you click on the Generated API in the API section. Any incomplete payments will be shown in the Unidentified Payments. All received funds will be allocated to your wallet. Keep in mind that if you're looking to accept currencies like Algo and XRP, they need to be activated before their usage. This can be done in the Wallet section of PTPShopy, clicking on the gas fee addresses, and then depositing a small amount to the receive address shown. Congratulations, you're now ready to offer a seamless crypto payment experience on your platform. PTPShopy is here to support you at every step. If you have questions or need assistance, our support team is always ready to help.